Hey there, dear listeners of Takeaway Chinese. What you're checking out right now is a special edition just for you. More Than Mandarin. This is where we break down the finer details of frequently used words so you know the ins and outs of them. Let's take a listen.
The word we're learning today is 目标, which is a combination of two characters. 目 means eye or sight, and 标 means target or standard. Together, they form the concept of goal or aim. For example, 设置目标, to set goals. 首要目标, the primary aim. 达成目标, to achieve a goal. As you know, setting a clear and specific goal is considered an important step towards achieving success. 明确的目标是前进的动力。Clear goals are the driving force for progress. In China, people has long held the concept of 天下大同, or great harmony for all under heaven, as the ultimate goal for mankind. In such a world, people are of one family and everyone is equal, friendly, and ready to help each other. Today, we still hold this belief and continue to exert great efforts in pursuing this goal. The Belt and Road Initiative is a good example. By promoting the development of infrastructure, trade, and investment among participating parties, the initiative aims to achieve high-standard development that prioritizes the needs and interests of people. 一带一路要努力实现高标准、惠民生、可持续目标。The Belt and Road Initiative aims to achieve high-standard, people-centered, and sustainable progress. 目标 goal or aim 你学会了吗？
If you enjoy this extra segment and want to watch the video version, just search for More Than Mandarin on Facebook or YouTube. And don't forget to leave a comment and let us know if you appreciate our new edition. See you next time.